to do something else. Somebody said to me, why didn't you try dancing? I said, okay, dancing sounds pretty good. Let me try some moves. So he showed me a few moves, and I started doing some Michael Jackson moves, and then I started doing some top rocks, and then some robotics moves, and then somebody showed me the moonwalk, and then somebody showed me some break dance. I was okay, let me try this out. If ever you have a problem or you have any difficulty in life, what words are you going to tell yourself?
Both fantastic. The fitness circuits were quite challenging. I gave it a go myself and I was sweating. I don't think these helped too much. But no, absolutely brilliant. Children loved it, really engaged, all active, all involved, even those that were a bit sort of wary at the start. And that's down to these guys. They're absolutely brilliant. And the assembly was genuinely one of the best assemblies I've seen. And I genuinely mean that. It was brilliant. Really inspiring for our kids and to see what Courtney's achieved in his lifetime. Still achieving. Overall amazing. Really, really enjoyed it.
Right, I've just finished off at Edutainment Primary School. Wow, what an electrifying experience. It was so good. I think there was about 400 children out here, and the motivational messages to keep on moving, keep on trying different skills was one of them that I gave. And they gave me one of this. So they gave me a think note, inspiration. It was a Think Award certificate. Inspiration. Thank you so much, Courtney. You were amazing and so inspirational. So thank you, Edutainment Primary School, for all that energy.